Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't want to call you guys, like I want to call you guys something, so maybe if you guys help me out in the comments below, let me know. Like I feel like I should call you guys something. I was thinking I'd call you guys like babies or babes or I don't know. But you know what? Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, let me get this lip venom on. I usually like to do the lip venom as before I start getting ready, so the venom can kind of like sit on my lips, so by the time I'm done with my makeup I can have big lips. Not that my lips are just not big. You guys, it's gonna be a good video. I'm gonna do a liner today. Now you guys know I really rarely do liners, period. I'm just not a just liner by itself kind of girl. I usually like to do like very smoky eyes and all that. You already know all this. You already know this. But before we start to the liners, make sure you guys are hitting that subscribe button. So let's take this little time and start a little subscribe. Good. My skin is so different. There's a couple of things that I did not use on my regular foundation routine that I don't know. So if you guys see something weird about it, let me know. I just started tanning again, so my color is gonna be so off for the next few videos. So yes, I already fucking know. I'm starting to tan again. I'm going to the gym, doing my thing. Listen, my foundations are gonna be off, and that's just the process of tanning. But today's not about the skin. Today's all about liners. We're also gonna be diving into the AVANI x Morphe palette. As you guys know, this palette came out about last week. And I don't know if it's doing good or not. I don't know the numbers. All I know is if I'm using it again, it means that I'm interested and I want to play with it some more and just to kind of really get my feel and kind of get the vibe of this, because I feel like the look that we created last week together was really good. Today, I really want to dip into these liners and see what is the tea with these liners, because y'all know, like, listen, if Miss Kimora Blac loves the liners, when she does not wear liners, that's a pretty good liner. In the AVANI palette, you guys, we have it here. As you guys know, we did do the unboxing, so if you guys want to check out that video, the video is prior to this video. This, honestly, from looking at it, like I said in the previous video, it's a rainbow palette. It's giving me color, you know, like it's not something that I personally would gravitate to if I was shopping in a Morphe store. Like I said, me and rainbow palettes, we just don't really get along. Do I have them? Yes. Do I like them? Yes. But do I prefer them on a daily basis? Not really. But these two bottom rows really do speak to me. Like these, I don't know. It just really speaks to me. Like these colors, these vibrant liner colors are just, it looks so good. Like I'm like really ready to dive into it. So that being said, you guys, we will be doing that today. I kind of want to wear green hair today. I don't know why. So I feel like green and purple really complement each other. I'm not really into the pink, but I'm really trying to see if this purple really looks like that. Like I'm kind of really curious, because I feel like when it comes to liners, when it comes to finding these neon color liners and things, I think it's really hard. Like, be honest, like help me out here. What brand do you fuck with when it comes to liquid color liners? Because I really want some. I really am crossing my fingers that this liner is going to be the business. Honestly, when it comes to picking liner brushes, I would gravitate towards an angle brush. I really would. Like that's just kind of like my forte. But I think for the liner today, for the wetness and dipping back and forth and really getting the brush saturated with water, because you do have to have water to make this work. That is what it says. Wet your brush before you line. Clean and clear, simple. Love that. That's what we're gonna do today. So I want to create maybe a double color liner. I don't know. Like a lot of people are doing like this one color and then a color on top and shit like that. All these fucking crazy shit they're doing. Girl, these young kids, I cannot keep up with them. Actually, I don't want to keep up with them. I'm just trying to like, why? Just kidding. Now, I'm gonna wet it. Now, usually when you wet, I like to use like a setting spray. I like to kind of use what I have in my studio. Like, can you use water? Sure. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna use water because I have some here. I'm just gonna take the cap and I'm gonna do water. Like, I feel like depending on the setting spray, that could probably, you know, why liners don't work the way they should. Actually, that is a really good question. Does it depend on the actual setting spray that can kind of make the liner all weird? I don't know, maybe that is something it. So I'm gonna dip my brush into the water. Now today it's really just gonna be strictly liner, and I want to do like a really big fluffy lash, maybe some bottom lashes. I don't know, cause you know me, girl, I hate bottom lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the purple, and I'm just gonna do a quick little swatch. I'm just gonna swatch. Oh wow, look at that. That is the liner, purple. Very, honestly, very pigmented. Like, I'm actually very shook. Let's go into the orange. I'm actually very curious on this orange. The orange is a little darker than the actual palette though, I will say. Like if you guys just take the orange and compare it, you guys can see there I did wet in the middle of the two liners. And then as you guys can see here, you guys can definitely match up the purple with the purple, orange with the orange. But you guys, I feel like the orange is a little darker, but actually as it dries down, it's kind of the same. I am gagged. Wow. Okay, I really want to try the green because since I'm wearing green hair, maybe I wear green liner. So I swatched the green hair. Kind of not as, but I feel like if I went over with another layer, it's gonna give you the things. Should I try with setting spray? Let's try it. So this is the Slay All Day. This is with Rich Luxe and Gerard Cosmetics. I usually like to use this for my liners. I'm gonna spray some on top of my brush and then dip it in. And then now this is with setting spray and dipping into the product. Okay, so I'm gonna do it a little separate. Wow, look at that. I feel like when you dip the brush into the actual water, it's less and it probably dries down faster, but look at that. This is with the actual setting spray and it makes it all like weird and watery. I mean, I don't think there's a lot on the brush, but sure, but that's kind of insane to me. Yeah, look at that. I kind of blew on it to kind of see if it dries down faster. It's still not. So I think we cracked the code, you guys. I think we're gonna go ahead and just stick with regular water. All right, you guys, so we are ready to start the liner. So I need you guys to get a little closer and get up all up in this. Ooh, don't get too close to my skin. So I personally, like, I truly don't wear liners all the time. So I'm gonna start off slow and hopefully if I do like the liner that I have already, I'm not gonna make it bigger. Oh my God, I'm scared. Let's go ahead and just... See, I already know I'm not gonna like it because I feel like it should have went higher, like more, but we're gonna keep it because it's already on. But you guys, I'm dipping this back and forth. I'm making sure the liner is saturated and it's fucking purple. Like I'm not really mad about it. I'm so scared. See, okay, I'm not mad at this liner. Wow. See, now, okay, now, this is why I don't wear liners. You see how it looks so weird? Like, it looks so weird, right? I just don't wear liners. I don't know why. I think it looks really bad on me. But let me know what you guys think. Please be honest. So I'm just gonna take that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna extend it. You know, honestly, I keep saying that. Honestly, like, that's like my saying is when, and I say, you know, honestly, like I say it all the time. I'm gonna extend this. Oh, I don't know. Okay, so right now I'm just kind of going on top of it and I'm just like really making sure it's purple. You know what? It's actually really pretty. And when I get in here, I'm gonna take a smaller brush to do something with it, but this is just the outer layer. Like, what do we think? Like, are we not gagging over it or what? Maybe my eye is good for liner. I just feel like it's so like, it doesn't look the same. This is my trick, you guys, and I had to learn this the long way. When you do liners, you really want to keep your eyes open and super straight as much as possible because that's gonna really help making sure it's symmetrical and it's like matching. Take a deep breath. Okay. Ooh. Ah! Oh my God, I need to get some makeup remover. What the hell? What the fuck? I was doing so good. Okay, I'm just gonna fill it in as much as I can. But what I'm not gonna do is I'm not gonna make my liner bigger. So I feel like that matches really well. Okay, they don't match. Wait, I mean, they kind of do. Let me just wipe off this part because I can't even tell. Okay, so let's do a little check. You see how this is so straight and this is like not? That's exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna attempt to make it the same. Oh my God, you guys, what is this? Oh my God, look how ugly this eye looks now. I feel like that's as good as it's gonna get. Now, before the video started, I did put a little like primer on my eyes, so I'm just gonna attempt to reapply that liner. Now, I'm not gonna really stress about the top because we're gonna go back in with another color, I think. I just feel like now it's like all fucked up. So I know there's a trick where you can take a little concealer or a primer and you can kind of really snatch up your liquid liner and wing. So I'm gonna attempt to do that. Let's see. Come on, liner 101. Okay, so see, you can do that. Sometimes I feel like just putting on shadow is just easier than liner. How's that? I think we got it. I actually am not fucking mad. Like, what? You know, it's so crazy because if you guys know me, which you guys probably do if you guys seen so many of my videos, when I get very focused and I don't talk, it's because like I'm actually so fucking focused. Thank you for bearing with me. I'm just gonna take a little brush. I'm just gonna blend out that primer. We're gonna double line this liner. Like, I'm talking about like this purple, and then I wanna do like a liner on top. I think that's gonna be really sexy. Because I think purple's cute. I mean, that's like whatever. I honestly think this is a really cute look. I just think, let's amp it up a little bit. Let's kind of play with it, right? Ah! I actually forgot! I need to finish the purple! Oh, okay. I need to complete the purple. I need to take the liner in and really pinch the purple. So yeah, oh my god, I was totally forgot. I would honestly recommend, if you guys have more than one brush, like do more than one brush. Okay, see? Okay, now my liner is completed. My purple is completed. Now, let's dip the brush right back into the green. Oh my god, this is too much. I need to take a break. Hold on. I need to take a break. Okay, so I'm gonna just line this up. Oh my god, I don't even know how to do this. I don't even know how to do this. Fuck, okay. Let's just do this first. Okay. I really hope it gets brighter. Like, I think it's cute. I really hope it gets brighter. Like, I was kind of hoping it to be a little brighter. Actually, I'm not mad about it. Like, I actually really do like it. What is this clunk right here? Okay. I think I should have left it like purple. Oh, see? It's like getting a little brighter now. This side's getting messy. Maybe because I can't do this eye. I mean, okay, that's actually kind of cute. Like, I'm actually not mad about it. It's giving me very like basketball jersey. Like, this is like a team color or something. I really wish they put like a blue. See, as it dries, it gets brighter. Like, I'm very, very happy with that. Like, I want it to be almost like neon. So I feel like when it dries, it does get a little brighter. So, we kind of have the layout ready. So I'm gonna take my little Baddie B lash fan. I'm just gonna blow a little air on it to make sure it dries faster. Cause look at how cool this looks. Like, that looks so cool. I'm really happy it's starting to brighten up a little bit. Look at, it's literally getting brighter! Wow, okay. Okay, Morphe, I'm gonna need to, I need a whole palette of liners. How cool is that? Look at this, it's literally getting brighter. I'm so gagged. So by me just drying it right now, I know I'm gonna go back and I'm going to fix some of the purple. Ooh, I think a little nude lip with this would be so sexy. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and get up my brush again. And I'm just gonna really go back and edit that purple. Make sure the purple is very, very clean and just done. Maybe I should put the pink on the bottom. Maybe I have to do the pink right here. Or is that too much? Actually, wow, look at that. Let's see what it looks like before we, wow, look at that. Look at the pink. Okay, so let's do a little pink. You guys, I'm probably gonna be doing liners all day. Okay, I don't know if I like it, but it's a little motherfucking too late now, bitch. Okay, I kind of like that. It's very like not what I'm comfortable with, but I'm gonna go back and clean it as soon as it dries. So let's go ahead and pull out that fan one more time. This eye is so fucking cool. This eye looks like shit. Whatever, I'll go like this. I'll take a picture like this. Okay, so is it getting brighter? Yes, mama. Yes, mama. Okay, so taking out that brush again that I used for the primer, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. I've been using the Gerard Cosmetics eye primer, you guys. They're actually really dope. I just love them because they're so easy to use. You can unscrew it, you don't have to squeeze it, but it's just one of those things where you have to use it like at home because it gets like really messy. I'm just gonna clean up and now I'm gonna take a brush and I will just blend it out. Wow, I'm not mad. Is it different? Yes. Alright guys, I will be right back. I'm gonna go pluck on some lashes and get a nude lip and show you guys the final look. You guys, check out this liner! Okay, so as soon as the lashes got on, I'm like actually kind of obsessed with it, you guys. We literally did this. I'm literally about to just... You know what I'm kind of mad about? I'm kind of like mad is it's not as purple as I wanted it to be. I think when the lashes went on, it just kind of like blackened it out just a little bit. I was kind of hoping for the purple, but I'm actually not really mad like at all. But also, you guys, we literally just cracked a code that I can wear liners. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be doing more liners. But you guys, I had so much fun. Thank you so much for viewing this video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I gotta go take a picture because I'm filming myself right now. But if you guys remember, if you guys want the collection, or you guys want anything Morphe, you guys can use my promo code. And honestly, thank you guys so much for using my promo code Kimora. It does save you money off at the end if you guys are shopping on Morphe. And also lets me know you guys are thinking about me when you are shopping. Like, that means so much to me when you guys are in the store or online shopping and using my promo code. That just really does mean a lot. I love y'all so fucking much. Until next time, I'll see y'all in a few days. Like, what am I over here saying? I love you guys, and I'll see you guys later.